Alright, this is a 2004 GMC Safari. This rod here slipped out of the drive shaft gear changer. This is the shift linkage cable, shifter cable. This here came out, this rod here came out of here. So what I did is pushed it back in, drilled a hole through there, and put a cotter pin in there. And it's nice and tight. Just a quick, simple, easy fix. 2004 GMC Safari. Pop this back on here. And Houston, we have ignition. See that? Drilled the hole in there with the, use the drill. And actually I used a wooden bit. It was the smallest that I could find. It's about the same size as that cotter pin, and it worked out perfect. Thank you so much for watching.